Please note that using Google My Maps requires an internet connection. You can start by typing www.google.com/maps in your browser. There are two ways to use Google My Maps to create your own map. First is when you don't have actual data and you would just like to add a line or mark a point in the map. For example, if you want to mark a school or a house, you can use the Add a Point functionality of My Maps. Then, if you want to highlight a road leading to that school or house, you can use the Add a Line functionality of My Maps. You can add as many points or lines as you want. After you have marked a point or sketched a line in the map, you can save or print your map, which you can then use for presentation or as an attachment to a document. Another way of using My Maps is by adding data gathered from the field using your mobile device, which you already learned from the previous module. You can refer to this option if you want to make your map more credible since you are using actual data gathered from the field. You can use the Add Layer or File functionality of My Maps to load layers or KML files from your laptop or desktop. In cases when the tracks you loaded are not a straight line, you can simply edit it by making the line thicker so that it will look like a straight line. You can add different layers to overlay in the default base map provided by My Maps. Please note, however, that adding several layers in Google My Maps may incur higher amount of internet usage. You can then zoom in to mark the location or structure you want to highlight. Once you are done loading your field data in the map, you can save and print it to serve your purpose. Using My Maps also allows different users to collaborate at the same time in making a map similar to Google Docs. The maps that you created using My Maps can be also shared to crowdsourcing mapping platforms such as OpenStreetMap. Simply export the maps you created as a KML file and you can load it to OpenStreetMap.